What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So today I'm just gonna give you guys a few updates on the car and the garage in general. As you can see, I have a random bike here. I'll explain that in a second. But I want to give a couple updates on the car, on the GT3. As you can see, it's parked here, charging the battery. I still haven't figured out a trickle charger system for this car because the battery is situated right here and there's a cover on it and there's like no space for a lead to come out. So I have to look into this compartment here and see if I can do something in this section. But for now, I just have it like this, kind of jank. But I like I like leaving my cars in trickle chargers, and I haven't figured it out. There is a cigarette lighter option for a C-Tech charger in this vehicle, so I could do that through the window and things like that. So there's that. I'm thinking about doing that. So another part that actually came back is the third brake light. See if I can. I need to be careful because this was just repainted. So my detailer couldn't restore it. There was a crack in the paint, but now I had this redone completely. As you can see, third brake light. This should take care of the third brake light warning that I'm getting on the car, because I haven't had it coated out, because I plan to put this this third brake light on. Look how mint that is. Fresh black Porsche paint. So this was like around like $300, I think. Yeah, $300 all in. I mean, kind of pricey, but the alternative is buying it brand new in perfect condition. Paint, it's not gonna be painted either. So this is good enough. I got this from like a pick and pull from eBay. So now the biggest thing about this video is the bumper. So the bumper, I found it September 5 from a seller, and I bought it, and then it was shipped. It's only from San Diego, and it was stolen. So the courier picked it up, not courier, but like a freight, right? Picked it up, and it never arrived to me. San Diego to me shouldn't take like more than a couple of days. It's been like almost a month now. And I don't have the bumper. It's actually gone. It's missing. We have a claim. Well, I actually waited quite a while. I actually told the seller that I'm gonna wait. I don't really care. I need the bumper, but it's not gonna arrive. I think it was completely stolen and it's gone. So yeah, it's very unfortunate. Like, how does that happen? But the seller said he's shipped so many bumpers using this carrier, and Lamborghini bumpers, things like that, and he never got stolen. But this one in particular got stolen, and it's the first time ever. And he's like a trusted seller on eBay. I only buy the used GT3 bumpers. I don't buy replicas. So this was a legit OEM bumper. So you can't replace it. So I told the shipper, like, if you guys are not gonna find it, there's just no way. I don't even know how you can compensate me or the seller for it. So right now, what we did was I just I got a refund from the seller, but I said, as soon as you get some information, let me know, because I'm gonna buy it as soon as you find it. But I really doubt it's gonna be found. They have a claim already in place. It's been going on. They're not contacting us. So right now, I'm in a tough position where I should just keep the 997.2 bumper, as you can see here, or find another one. But it's really hard to find a used GT3 bumper OEM, or if I buy it brand new, it's gonna be $7,000, something like that. So I'm trying to find it. I don't know. I'm still torn. I mean, it looks okay right now. It really kind of put a wrench in all my plans. The timeline, if anything, I should have had the bumper right now. So it should have been being painted right now by the same company that did the third brake light right here. It would have been this clean already, because it was used and it was like red, I think. Yeah, it's very frustrating, but like it is what it is when you go to projects like this. It's just, I'm the lucky one that my bumper gets stolen. So that's the story with that. What else can I tell you guys about? So status on the garage. As you can see, there's a bike here. This is actually not mine. This is my brother-in-law. I borrowed it because it's been actually I've been hiding it from the channel here. It's been 2 months, and I don't have a motorcycle in the garage anymore because I've sold them. So I haven't been riding. There's just a lot of life stuff going on that where I haven't been riding anyway, and I kind of want to have a reset in my motorcycle. This is a motorcycle channel. Without a motorcycle, it's crazy, right? So it's like, um, so this one I borrowed. Like, let's go back. Like I said, the life has been crazy. So I sold both motorcycles because I have a big goal. I guess partly because I'm not riding, but I also have a big goal on trying to get the RS. So where I'm kind of in a limbo phase with that. So I don't know if I'm so right now, if I don't get the RS, if I don't chase the RS, then I'll have some extra cash to get back into buy the motorcycles I like. But at the same time, I kind of want to reassess what kind of riding I want to do next. I'm kind of done with like sport for the most part because I've been buying sport bikes and like sport track days and things like that. But I kind of want to shift towards more of trail riding, camping, and things like that. I kind of want to shift the channel towards that, and I think I find that more rewarding. I'm not bashing on track days. I'm still gonna do track days from time to time. It's just that I don't get the reward anymore. Like, I don't feel satisfied. I just feel like it's more of a chore now for me. So I think that's where the channel is going to be headed in terms of the motorcycle aspect of it. TRX is gonna stay. TRX is right here, occupying most of the garage. But yeah, right now I borrowed this because I have to go to have to go to work, and I hate driving to work. Man, I hate driving to work. I almost thought about taking my wife's bicycle because I just hate driving. I hate driving to work. I don't want to drive any of these to work. So I borrowed it for I need it for 2 days. I'm just gonna ride it, to work, commute. So that's the story with that. So like it is what it is. We got to do what you got to do. As you said, just bring it back, clean the chain, or and fill it up again. So yeah. So this is just a really weird update. It's just very very unfortunate, and it sucks. Like, so now what gonna do is I'm gonna put the third brake light back on. As you can see here, that's what's gonna replace. See, this is kind of like a cheap, like block off thing. Like, I don't like the look. I like it to be OEM complete. So yeah, there's supposed to be a third brake light here. I had the PDR guy do the fixings for there's like two spots where there's like two dents, and it was fixed really really nicely. And what else can I say? Nothing. I mean, this car is solid. I'm gonna bring it back for a couple of fixes. I think there's like something loose in the headliner, and just a couple bits and pieces here and there. I'm gonna have my indie shop look at it. But other than that, I think because minus the bumper, there's nothing else for me to do. Like, just use the GT3. Maybe sign up for a track day, or something like that, and use it. But if I'm gonna do that, I'm gonna need to for sure get the front PPF and everything. There is a PPF on this vehicle already. There's PPF on the hood, I believe. Yeah, there's PPF on the hood. It's wrapped up right here. I don't know how old and I don't know how thick. So, but it looks like in good condition. It looks like it's been polished and paint corrected and everything. So this one has PPF also. The bumper though does not have PPF, surprisingly. So it looks like it's been repainted and never PPF'd again. So what I'm gonna do is look into that. So I will need to PPF that and the mirrors, and I don't know if I should just do the whole thing, but I think I'm just gonna do the front. So I'm just gonna do the front and then do the track days. So that's my plan if I ever go. So yeah, hopefully that's kind of interesting for you guys. Like, it's kind of a negative thing right now. Like, but you hit a bump in the process, but it's okay. Maybe it's a way for me. Like, it's the universe telling me, like, don't spend right now. Maybe that's cool. So, you never know. You never know what one thing happens and another thing happens. You never know what's gonna happen. So maybe the universe is telling me don't spend $7,000 because maybe there's an RS in the horizon that, you know, in the meantime, just sit tight, and then all right guys, so that's it. Just a quick update. Yeah, not much just to do with this one. It's just a little quick update because the big thing is the bumper here is it's not gonna happen until I find a replacement. So I mean, what do you guys think? I mean, the car does look good. It's just that, you know, I'm sort of a purist when it comes to Porsches, and I don't like mismatching things. And you know, if you bought like a Carrera S, I'll just keep it a Carrera S. I mean, you can do the aero front bumper, but like making it look like something else just doesn't sit well with me. I don't know. It's just not my thing. So yeah, let me know. I mean, what do you guys think? Just rock the dot two. It looks good, and just live with it, and then, you know, save your money for the RS, which is a more sensible thing to do, or chase the not perfection, but like correctness, if anything. So, yep, that's pretty much it. Yeah, bike stuff, car stuff. We're going through some kind of development, so we'll see what happens later on. If you guys stick around, you guys will be a part of that. So, all right, let me know what do you guys think about everything or anything. I'll see you guys on the next video, and thank you guys for watching.